Hey, what's up, everybody? Today is Sunday. Hilsey and I have 3 weeks. Today is the 2nd. We leave on the 22nd, so we have 20 days, just under 3 weeks till we leave on the Carnival Magic. Noah and I are just hanging out today. Hilsey's at a bachelorette weekend up in Gatlinburg. We're waiting on the truck to fill up right now, so we might be here a while. This thing takes a lot of gas. But we're going to go to church, and then we're going to go do a little adventure, flying the drone, and just taking some video. It's a beautiful day today. I don't know if any of you guys live around Tennessee where we live, and this is a nice time of year. Oh, gas tank just clicked. So the weather's nice, so we're going to try to go and just have an outdoor day, have some adventure, and see what we can come up with. Are you awake yet?
Yes.
I swear it's either rock music or church music. I'm cool with rock music, whatever, but like 30 minutes outside of Chattanooga, and the only radio station, church music stations or rock. Look at this guy. You see him? You asleep? Nap time. He slept the entire way. So where we are is Ocoee River, and this is actually Lake Ocoee. There's a series of dams that kind of dam up the river, and then for whitewater rafting and things like that, they actually have a system of pumps that pump water up the river instead of relying on a constant flow of water. They can actually control the amount of water using the dams and the flumes or whatever to pull the water up the river. So it's pretty cool. And on the weekends, they pull the water. So the rafts, there's whitewater rafting and things like that on the weekends. So just to clarify, yes, they do call it pulling water up. I know they're actually pumping water up to the top of the river, but they call it pulling water, whatever. And they only do it when needed. So I know kind of sounds like, the whitewater rafting is because of them pushing water. If it's been rainy and there's a lot of, runoff, then maybe they don't need to pull water, but they when needed, they take from the lake and pull the water uphill and then pump it back in. And anyways, back to the video. So this is like the last weekend of having all 3 sections. There's 3 sections of dams and stuff. So this is the last weekend of having them all open. And so we're going to go see if we can see some rafters and kayakers. And what you just saw was the lake. So this is like the bottom section of it. The last dam is, it's like a lake at the bottom. So that's the lake. This is the very bottom. We're going to go up. So let's go. So that's the first two sections of the Ocoee River. I guess it's probably good if we tell you what we're actually doing, because I know sometimes without even trying, I'm secretive about things. But we are right outside of Cleveland, Tennessee, at the Ocoee River. It's a big rafting area. Like I said, they can control the water, so it's huge for rafting and kayaking, because they can control the water, they can control the rapids. So that's pretty cool. So we just came up here to just check it out and see what was going on, watch the Rafters, because it's the last weekend of them having all three sections open. The top section is actually where they did the Olympic whitewater events in 1996 in the Olympics. So it gets really crazy up there. But yeah, that's the first two sections. We got to go get some lunch now. It's already 2:30, but yeah, we got to go get lunch and get Noah some school clothes. He's been in school. Noah's been in school for a few weeks, but we've had weddings and things like that on the weekends, so we haven't had a chance to get him school clothes. So soon enough, he's going to be wearing pajamas. Are you wearing pajamas to school yet?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Soon, that's all he'll have to wear, because he's growing out of everything. Like, he's getting so tall. Anyways, so yeah, we're going to go to get some lunch, get him some clothes. But yeah, this is cool. It's definitely not that fall day that I talked about earlier. Like, oh, it's so beautiful. Yeah, it's 90 degrees. It's hot. So, all right, let's go back down the mountain. I know you probably won't be able to hear me too good because of the traffic, and I don't have my external microphone, so if you can't hear me too well, I'm sorry. But look at this. This is a zip line. It's a zip line course just out in the middle of a field. This is literally just a field right down the street from the river. There's like crops growing over here on this side, and there's a zip line on that side of the street. It's crazy. Like, I guess why they have the attention of the outdoorsy folks, like, hey, this is adventurous and outdoorsy. You go rafting and zip lining all on the same day out here in the middle of a field. But it's pretty cool. So there's these little stations everywhere. So they just they start and they just go downhill, walk up the tower, and walk up the tower over here and come back downhill, and just make a whole loop. So it's pretty cool if you guys are ever in Chattanooga or Cleveland, Tennessee. That's why they make M&Ms, by the way. They make M&Ms in Cleveland. Anyways, I don't know why. In case you were wondering, they make M&Ms in Cleveland. So yeah, a lot of adventure stuff to do just 30 minutes outside of Chattanooga. So there you are. Hey, back home now. Obviously it's dark out. So we went to the mall. I didn't take the camera in. I didn't really want to spend any extra time in there. When I go to the mall, I'm trying to get in and get out. So I didn't take the camera with us, but we had a pretty good day at the river, watching the Rafters and things like that. Noah wants to do it now, so we're going to have to go rafting. So look forward to that next summer, I guess, because they're pretty much shutting down for this season. But anyways, this is something, just a little experimental video I figured I'd make. We were going to the river anyways to go there and watch the Rafters. So figured, hey, make a little video and see what people think. If you like it, please give a thumbs up down below, and leave a comment if you have any suggestions or anything like that. If you've ever been rafting or kayaking, if you are into that, I'd like to hear your comments. It looked like really fun. I've been once. I went whitewater rafting one time when I was younger, but it's been a long time. So anyways, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. That way, you'll know whenever as long as you hit the bell icon, you'll know whenever we make videos, and you'll be able to stay up to date with us. We're going on a cruise, like I said, in 20 days, so there'll be more videos from that. I got to actually finish the sunshine videos first. Been putting the video out every 2 or 3 weeks, so I'm trying to get a little more consistent about that. Maybe videos like this will help fill in the gaps. So let me know. Your feedback is very appreciated, and hope you guys have a great day.